Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To install software in Ubuntu, you can use the terminal or the Ubuntu Software Center. For terminal installation, open it by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T and type sudo apt-get install package_name, replacing package_name with the name of the software you wish to install. Ensure your system's package list and installed packages are up to date by running sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade before installation. For a GUI approach, use the Ubuntu Software Center, search for the software, and click Install. Both methods require an internet connection.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.